Hi store owners, my name is Crystal and welcome to Advanced Coupons channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Advanced Coupons plugin. So let's start. Upon purchasing our plugin, you'll be receiving an email from us. This email contains a link where you could download the plugin file, and this plugin file will be uploaded to your WooCommerce site. Sometimes you tend or sometimes you forgot that you already received an email from us and then this link expires. All you have to do is just go to the advancedcouponsplugin.com website where we will be sending you also a username and password to access your account. Let me show you. I will be going to the advancedcouponsplugin.com website, and then all I have to do is just log in here. Once I'm logged in, this would be the dashboard on your account, and here you'll have the access to the licenses where you could see or you could copy the license key and the email or the activation email that you will be using to your WooCommerce site. Also, here, the downloads, you'll be able to download the plugin file here. And every time that we release a new version of this plugin, you'll be able to download it from this tab. So we'll have the subscription here, and you can upgrade your license on this page too. And here would be the invoices where you could see the amount that you paid when you purchased the plugin, and then profile and more. So I'll show you how to download the plugin file on the downloads tab. So I will be clicking this link and be waiting for the file here. Also, let me remind you that the Advanced Coupons Premium plugin won't work if the Advanced Coupons free plugin is not installed. So to download first this free plugin, all you have to do is just go to the plugins page on your dashboard, and then this free plugin is available on the WordPress directory. So let me show you here. Let me add new plugin, and then all you have to do is just search and type Advanced Coupons, and let's wait for it, and it's here. So all you have to do is install the Advanced Coupons free plugin, and let's wait for it. And then once I have activated this plugin, then I can upload this Advanced Coupons Premium plugin. So let me activate this one first, because if you are going to skip this one, you will be receiving an error message that you have to install this free plugin. So make sure that this free plugin is installed. Okay, so I've already activated this Advanced Coupons for WooCommerce free, and all you have to do is upload the plugin file that you downloaded from your account on our site. So let me upload the plugin here, and here, let me install it. Okay, and activate the plugin. Once the plugin has been activated, of course, you will be activating the license too. So all you have to do is just go to your dashboard and then coupons, and then go to license. Now, we do send the license keys via email, and also you have the access of the license keys on your account on our Advanced Coupons plugin website. So all you have to do is copy this license and then paste it here, and then make sure to copy also the email address or the activation email, and let's activate. So that's it. Now that the license has been activated, you will now receive an update from us every time that we release a new version of this Advanced Coupons Premium plugin. I hope this video helped. If you do have any requests or video tutorial that you want to see, just send us an email or comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!